ladies and gentlemen, we are playing The Station. So I really don't know anything about what this game is, but I don't care, honestly, so let's just get into it. Another typical Friday. I'm really looking forward to that raise. Maybe I'll be able to buy a car in a few years. Whatever. Okay. So let's see. We got shift to sprint here. What's over here? Just a subway. Oh, we can crouch too. Nice. Okay, let us see this. How's it going? How's it going, pal? How about you? Can I talk to anyone? No. Yeah, they really love each other. Yeah, they really love each other. Okay. Yeah. Excuse me, do you know if the train is coming? It's 21:07, so it shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. Thanks. No worries. Okay, who realistically uses army time? Like, that just seems odd. Like, how can you realistically look at 21:07 and, like, know exactly what time that is? That just doesn't make sense to me. He seems very sad. Should I talk to him? Press Y for yes or no, or N for no. I'll talk to him. Hey man, are you okay? I'm having a really tough time recently. Why? It's been the worst week of my life. My wife left me, I got fired from my job, and worst of all, this train is taking ages. Dang, you really are having a bad time. Hey, you're the only one who I speak to in 3 days. I feel better now, thanks. Are you sure? I can. Yes. You'll receive good karma, I promise. Alright, man, take care. Seems like a nice man. What's going on over here? An electrician or something? Hey kid, can you help me? Press Y for yes or N for no. I'll help you, yeah. Sure, what do you need? Thanks. Take this key and open the maintenance room. There should be a screwdriver. Hand it to me. Alright. Dang, this place is a mess. Press left mouse button to move objects. Oh, cool. Oh, wait, where'd the screwdriver go? No, that's not a screwdriver, that's a paint thing. Is it in here? Is this it? Oh. Yeah, this is it. No problem, take care. Okay, here we got a train. Let us exit this station and enter the train. If the door is open. My feet are killing me. I should find a seat. Darn right, you should find a seat. I would say, if I was me, I would sit alone, but like near the side guy because like, just because like, you know, it's nice. Okay. So tired. Oh, side guy's standing up. Excuse me? Oh my, what? Are you kidding me? What the heck just happened here? Okay, I thought this was like a normal game. No, this just pops out at me in nowhere. Is everybody dead? Everyone except that guy. Oh, shoot. Yeah, so I didn't mention anything about this when I actually recorded it, but like, how the heck does this guy know my name? Like, I'm genuinely concerned and very confused. I don't know what, like, I don't know how it actually knows this. This is like actually concerning. It knows my name. Anyway, yeah. What? Thanks. Go where? You lived, ending 4 out of 1, 1 out of 4. Okay, wow. That was unexpected. I don't even know what to say. That came out of absolutely nowhere. But, okay. Okay, I guess we're doing that then. Very interesting game here. So I guess we'll play again. Another Friday. I'm really looking forward to that raid. Ba ba da bow, ba da bow. I guess we'll try to get another ending, or should I talk to him? Okay, I think talking to him's still a good idea because he's like kills everyone on the train. So I guess I'll talk to this guy and won't help him. Maybe that'll change my outcome. No. Sorry, sir, but the train's coming. Darn right, the train's coming. Get over here, you stinking train. Let's do this. Eat, interact. Feet are killing me. Just sit down. So I think the only seat I can take is this one. Yeah. I shouldn't be going so fast. Oh, crap. Oh. You died, ending 2 out of 4. Okay. Well, interesting. Another typical Friday. So I guess this time I won't talk to him. Seems very sad. Should I talk to him? Definitely not. I don't see any reason why I should be talking to that guy. He looks like he's on drugs. So, I guess I'll help this guy then. Or, I can just help no one. I'm a total narcissist. I don't care about anyone but myself. What? Oh, oh my gosh. What? Oh, what? Rap, man. Okay. Well, uh, how many endings did I get? I only got 3. So then, what if I don't help him and do help him? So, got the key, going in the maintenance room, getting the screwdriver. Okay, yeah, so I don't know. I didn't really mention this when I was recording it, but like, How does the guy know my name? Like, I'm seriously, genuinely confused about how he got that information, and it's kind of creepy. But I guess it works, like, for the vibe of the game, but, yeah, definitely concerning and creepy. Okay. It's kind of odd that you can crouch. Thanks, no problem, take care. Okay, he did not jump in front of the train this time. So that's good. Hope I can maybe survive. I hope. I don't know though, he doesn't look very happy. I mean, I could use some sleep. Oh. Yeah, I didn't know what I was expecting would happen there, but okay. So, yeah, that was short, but that was a very interesting multiple endings game. I was basically caught off guard literally by every single one. So, yeah, it was actually pretty good. I would, yeah, I would recommend this game then. So, yeah. Like and subscribe, I guess.